The risk of massive wildfires from climate change continues to grow around the globe. 2020 was the most active wildfire season on record for California, and 2021 is proving an equal match. Huron conducted a test pilot for 2021's recent wildfires in California. Through September, the number of wildfires in the U.S. state surpassed 7,000, burning more than 2 million acres and damaging or destroying nearly 3,000 structures. Historically, there's been a lack of automation in gathering information for firefighters. And yet, California is home to so many technological revolutions. So how can technology help? Since wildfires are largely affected by weather conditions, is it possible to forecast their point of origin? Enabled by Spire Global's weather models, Huron conducted a pilot test. In the end, Huron successfully predicted wildfire conditions in the California county of El Dorado, south of Lake Tahoe. This prediction came 45 days in advance. The wildfire later became known as the Caldor Fire, burning hundreds of thousands of acres and more than 1,000 structures. CEO of Huron, Gil Pletch, explains what this test pilot could mean for the future of wildfires.
What does that mean? That means life saved, structure saved, and the ability to get resources to the area to fight fire and minimize its impact.
The red areas in these images indicate extreme risk. The wildfire test pilot prediction, unfortunately, turned out to be right. Weeks after Huron, powered by OroraTech and Spire, predicted wildfire conditions, the fire exploded in size and pushed on to South Lake Tahoe, devastating homes, structures, and forests. Spire's weather models continued to prove useful during this phase, tracking a southerly wind that would take heat sources north toward the populated regions surrounding Pollock Pines and Spring Valley. Shortly after ignition of the blaze, it was clear the test pilot and subsequent weather models needed to be shared with local authorities so that future life-saving measures can be integrated and planned as quickly as possible.
Spire was a game changer in our application. The weather data provided was easy to use and considerably increased the accuracy of Huron's algorithms. In Portugal, before Spire, Huron used a combination of ground weather station and water weather data sources. Using data from Spire, we improved the resolution and the quality of data in remote locations that allowed for a 13% increase in accuracy of fire risk zoning.
With these new technology-based developments, accurate wildfire observations and predictions by Huron, OroraTech, and Spire Global can better equip firefighters, rescue teams, and local officials to be at the right place at the right time to save lives, homes, and the environment, because the stakes have never been higher.